become future stars. Chapter 16. Mahatma Gandhi. I left Durban on the 7th or 8th day after my arrival. A first-class seat was booked for me. The train reached Maritzburg, the capital of Natal, a province in South Africa, at about 9 p.m. Beddings used to be provided at this station. A railway servant came and asked me if I wanted one. No, said I have one with me. He went away. But a passenger came next and looked me up and down. He saw that I was a colored man. This disturbed him. Out he went and came in again with one or two officials. One of them said, "Come along, you must go to the van compartment." "But I have a first-class ticket," said I. "That doesn't matter," rejoined the other official. "I tell you, you must go to the van compartment. I tell you, I was permitted to travel in this compartment at Durban, and I insisted on going on in it." "No, you won't," said the official. "You must leave this compartment, or else I shall have to call a police constable to push you out." Word meaning: beddings, the sheets, covers, etc. put on a bed. Rejoined, responded to answer. Permitted, allowed, insisted, firmed in one's demand. "Yes, you may." I refused to get out voluntarily. A constable was called and he took me by the hand and pushed me out. My luggage was also taken out. I refused to go to the other compartment and the train steamed away. You must have guessed by now who the young lawyer was. He was none other than Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Many people call him Gandhiji. He is called the father of the nation. When Gandhiji returned to India in 1915, he toured all over India traveling third class. His main purpose was to make aware of himself with the hardships faced by the third-class passengers. Third-class travel, he thought, was the mirror to the general plight of Indians. It was his India that was helpless, subjected to shame, humiliation and color prejudice. His almost uninterrupted tours in the third class between 1915 and 1919 made him see how his India bled. His equipment for the tour was a metal tiffin box, a canvas bag worth 12 annas and a long coat. A dhoti, a towel, a shirt, a blanket and a water jug formed his meager travel kit. Gandhiji did not spend more than 31 on the fare when he travelled from Calcutta, Kolkata, to Rajkot and other expenses. Later on, Gandhiji was called Mahatma. He started a non-violent campaign against the British which was joined by millions of his fellow Indians. He started it by sitting down strikes and refusing to work or paying taxes to the British government. He was imprisoned many times but his campaign succeeded in the end. Word meaning: voluntarily, willingly, plight, a difficult condition, expenses, expenditure, campaign, a similar series of planned activities. Like, share, and subscribe.